Hi Cancerians, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, fine, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Guys, stay at home. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so guys, this is the reading for the month of June 2021. Okay, so yeah, no, July 2021, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, so there will be career reading and relationship reading. 3 cards for career, 3 cards for relationship. Okay, so let's see what's going on with Cancerians in the month of career. Wow, the first card. Second. Third. Fourth, relationship. Wow. Okay, so this is the career, this is the relationship. Okay guys, so Cancerians, in the month of July you will be confused as fuck. Okay, you will be very much confused, juggling between 2 choices, 2 options, 2 connections, 2 decisions into the career life, whether you want to proceed for that project or not, whether you want that job or not, whether you want that business or not, whether you want to start new business or not, whether you should go ahead crack that deal or not. Okay, so there will be a lot more confusion, juggling between 2 choices, 2 options, 2 connections, 2 decisions. Okay, there is a new opportunity waiting for you related to money. Okay, in the month of July you might get an offer related to money. It might be a new career, new job option, new business or opportunity. Okay, it can be related to anything. It will be a huge let's say in the month of July you will get a huge offer related to money. Grab that opportunity, guys. Okay, also I just want to tell you that if you were thinking and concerned about money or finances, that are going to improve from the month of August. Okay, but you need to grab that opportunity related to money. If you are getting that opportunity related to money, grab that opportunity. Do not say no to it. Okay, because every opportunity brings a major change in your life. Okay, into your financial life. So it might be a major breakthrough happening or major financial blessings coming in your life in the month of July. Okay, and you will be you will not be concerned about money in the month of July that much. You will be concerned about family much in the month of July. Okay, in the month of July you will be concerned about your near and dear ones, not about that money related stuff much. Okay, so yeah, relationship, you are gaining a lot of disappointments in your life. Okay, you feel that you had a lot of disappointments thinking about your past life. Okay, about your situations, about your past situations, about your past life. Okay, and but you need to move on. You are still stuck into the past. Okay, and that's why you are unable to move on with the new offer, new person, new opportunity. You are not seeing the new 2 of cups which is in front of you, which is which is forward, but you are just seeing the past and being disappointment. That's wrong. Okay, Cancerians, you need to move on from the situation. Stop feeling stuck and start moving on. Start being start moving on into a situation. Start uh, taking decisions of your life. Start moving on from your past. Okay, you still feel stuck. Sometimes you feel that you need to reach out to someone. You need to reach out. You need to send message. You need to send call a person. You need to reach out to someone. Okay, but you feel stuck into a situation. Okay, and in the past you were, in last few months you have been waiting. Now in the last week of July you will be at a point where you will not be waiting related to a relationship front. Okay, you will be taking action okay, either action to move on, not feeling stuck into a situation, or else taking an action of looking forward in life, or getting into a relationship, or getting into the commitment, or dating someone, okay. But you will be taking action, you will not be stuck anymore, okay. In the past, what happens is that you were stuck into a past because of this situations going on, you were unable to move on mentally also and emotionally also. But now you will be very action oriented in the last week of July, okay, Cancerians, and you will take an action towards moving forward in life, which is way too good, okay. And it can be anything, either getting with another person, or loving yourself more, or action related to your new life, new opportunities, new, you might start taking action related to your career front, or else your relationship, okay, new person, new life, new soulmate, dating someone, or meeting someone new, or spending time with your friends and family, okay. So that might be the case, okay. So yeah, that might be the case. Let's see what's your life purpose, Cancerians. Let's say what's your life purpose, Cancerians. Okay, you might be an artist, Cancerians. You might be a good painter, good dancer. You might be an entertainer. You might be an actor. Okay, so you are a good artist, or you might be spending time in artistic things in the month of July, or you must be spending time with flowers and nature as well, okay. That will heal you in some way or the other. You should spend time with your music. Your connection to music is healing for yourself and others. Some of you might be a musician, or else you like music a lot, so listen to the music, heal yourself through music, okay. You might spend time in communicating with animals. You understand animals and communicate with them intuitively. Trust your inner guidance, as the animals are a part of life works, okay. If you love animals, spend time with them. It will help you to heal yourself, okay. You need to career change. Few of the Cancerians, not all of you, okay, but few of the Cancerians needs a career change. You are embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you desire and deserve, which is way too good, okay. So yeah, you have a sense of freedom in your life. You are free to do whatever you choose in life, which is way too good. You are going to be free yourself, thinking major freedom is on the horizon for you, which is way too good. That's nice. That's really cool. You know what you want to do, you know how you are going to do, and you have that sense of freedom within yourself, Cancerians, which is way too good, okay. And that's amazing, okay. So yes, in the month of July, you'll be freeing yourself from a lot of foundations, you'll be changing internally, okay. And that internal changes will then appear outside, okay. So yeah, I hope you like this reading, Cancerians. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Bye bye, take care, guys.